Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to talk about the natural topography of Pakistan. Okay, so what topography really is? Topography is the study of surface features of land, and and if we talk about Pakistan, we can divide Pakistan into six major topographical areas. These six areas are the northern and the northwestern mountains, the Western Mountains. Number third is Potwar Plateau and the Salt Range. Number fourth is Balochistan Plateau. Number fifth, we have the Indus Plain. And last but not the least, deserts. Now, coming on to the first one, which is the northern and the northwestern mountains, if we talk about them, they consist of three major ranges. And if we talk about the three major ranges, two of them fall into northern mountain and one of them is in the northwestern mountain. So the northern mountains are divided in two main ranges. We have number one Himalayas, and the second one we have the Karakoram range. So let's talk about the Himalayas first. Himalayas are located at the south of Karakoram. They have alpine and coniferous forest. There are three parts of Himalayas: Silvakis, Lesser or Lower Himalayas, and the third one is the Central Himalayas. Okay. Other than this, Himalayas are the main source of drainage for River Indus and River Chenab. So there are 4 points related to Himalayas. And if we talk about the Karakoram range, so it is situated in the northern Kashmir and Gilgit regions. Uh, the height of this range is approximately 6,000 meters, and the biggest or highest peak of Pakistan, which is K2, is also located here in Himalayas, which is about 8,610 meters. There are three main glaciers that we have. One is Siachen, Baltoro, and Beafu. These are the glaciers located here in uh, the Karakoram range. If we talk about types of forest present in the Karakoram range, we have alpine forests located here. Okay, so let's talk about the northwestern mountains. As I mentioned earlier about the three major ranges present here, two of them we talked earlier, which were the Himalayas and the Karakoram range. Now we have the Hindu Kush range, which is present in northwestern. So here at the Hindu Kush range, we have the Richmere, the highest peak in the Hindu Kush range, which is about 7,690 meters high. And Chitral and Deer are situated here. The passes that Hindu Kush contains are the Khyber Pass and the Lowari Pass, as we talked earlier about the passes. So these are the passes that we have here in Hindu Kush. River Swat and River Kabul are drained over here in the Hindu Kush range. Coming on the last part of this, which is the lifestyle and the economy of northern mountains, the people live a very harsh life in the northern areas, just because of the we have mountains, we have a very rough terrain over there. So people live a very harsh life in the northern areas. Other than this, the livestock farmers move towards lowlands in winter and they return back in summers. This practice is known as transhumance. Agriculture can be practiced here in summers. There are cottage industries present here, and the cottage industries produce rugs, carpets, handicraft materials. Fruits here are grown in quantity like apple, peaches, pomegranates. There are fruits that are grown here in a good quantity. Other than all of this, they really depend on the tourism. Just because people here come and visit these places, so this is famous for the tourism. So I hope you guys understood it very well and very clearly.